Only a genius can answer these riddles. 3 doctors said that Bill was their brother. Bill says he has no brothers. How many brothers does Bill actually have? None. He has 3 sisters. 2 fathers and 2 sons are in a car, yet there are only 3 people in the car. How? They are a grandfather, father and son. The day before yesterday I was 21, and next year I will be 24. When is my birthday? December 31st. Today is January 1st. A little girl goes to the store and buys 1 dozen eggs. As she is going home, all but 3 break. How many eggs are left unbroken? Three eggs. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Short. A word I know. 6 letters it contains. Remove 1 letter and 12 remains. What is it? Dozens. What would you find in the middle of Toronto? The letter O.